Welcome back. If you are inside of your ChatGPT Plus account and you are inside of the latest version of ChatGPT, whatever that is, when you are watching this video, you will also have access to Dall-E, which is the image creation platform. If you go to the dialog box inside the latest version, you can type in a prompt for the kind of images that you want to create, and then ChatGPT will use Dall-E in order to meet your specifications for an image. Once you have your request, you can then enter it direct into the ChatGPT dialog box. ChatGPT will then interact with Dall-E inside of the engine, and it will then attempt to create the image that you specify. You can then make alterations to the image and ask for another image based on specific parameters that you want. And once we make our additional request, we'll then click enter, and then ChatGPT will then attempt to make the alterations to the image that we have specified. So as you can see, you can work within a ChatGPT conversation, and you can attempt to create images in the way in which you want. You can combine this with having your custom instructions set the way you want them so that the images will be created within the context that you specify. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.